Located about 75 miles northwest of Atlanta, Georgia, Berry College serves around 2,000 students. But they also have one of the largest campuses in the world, over 26,000 acres. The sprawling wooded campus includes buildings of all ages and sizes. Time and again, architects and builders have turned to Marvin Windows and Doors brands to provide just the right solution for these facilities. Cooper Carey Architects designed two new dorms called Morgan and Deerfield. There's no doubt that they set a pretty high standard for residence halls. The buildings have common areas and residential rooms to hold up to 200 students. Marvin's clad ultimate double-hung and round-top wood windows, as well as commercial doors, were used in the common areas.
So in the large community rooms, to have the warmth of the wood on the inside of the rooms, it goes a long way. It's those little details that make a big difference, and a lot of times I don't think it's something that people necessarily notice, but you feel it.
The residential rooms in Deerfield and Morgan used Integrity double-hung wood Ultrex windows for their excellent long-term value and durability. These Ultrex fiberglass windows also helped add efficiency for LEED Gold certification.
Sometimes it's not just about chasing the points either, it's about doing the right thing. And what's interesting about the Marvin Integrity is the fact that there is sustainable, reusable material that goes into the windows themselves.
There's no way to miss the Cage Center in the heart of the campus. This 130,000 square foot recreation and sports facility, designed by Hastings and Chivetta Architects, is a new addition to campus. From team practices to a jog on the treadmill, this building is always in use. Marvin-clad wood windows and doors were chosen for their exceptional durability and also for their ability to match the historical context of the surrounding buildings. Clad direct glaze picture windows can be seen in various configurations all around the exterior of the Cage Center. The design specifically has large window expanses to let in natural light and also to showcase the activity inside. The interior feels open and expansive. Marvin's ultimate casement picture windows and commercial doors were used throughout. They're durable enough to withstand the constant use, but also add character and warmth that aluminum storefront products could not provide. Metal windows from the 1950s were still in Dana Hall when the university decided to renovate the existing building and add on two new wings. The challenge was to create consistency between the old and the new. For the windows, it required a blending of Marvin's replacement products into the mix.
The Infinity windows we used, as replacement windows because they worked really well. They were in the size we needed, and it was just a really good value. And in the newer applications, we used Integrity, just again for the way they install and the fact that they would be consistent between the older part and the newer part of the buildings. They all fit in seamlessly.
Marvin commercial doors were even used throughout the building for a cohesive look. For these buildings and other projects on campus, builders and architects looked for a single source to provide windows and doors for many different applications. And when the stakes were high for aesthetics and performance, they counted on Marvin Commercial Solutions to provide the right products.
The single source brings that consistency within, the color, the aesthetic, and everything else. But not just that. It's really about standing the test of time. You want to work with somebody that has been around for a while and is going to be around for a long while yet. So you get that service and that consistency all the way through. You just have a sense of confidence that you're advising your client the right way, and it's going to be there a long time.